Geary v. Rankine. Mrs. Geary and Mr. Rankine had been in a relationship since 1990. In 1996, Rankine purchased a guest house with his own savings. The parties had not intended to live in the property or run it themselves, instead having it run by a manager. Difficulties with the manager led Rankine to run the business himself. He realized that he could not run it alone. Geary became involved in the business, cleaning, cooking and looking after guests. Rankine did not pay Geary wages, and she asked for money when she needed it. The relationship deteriorated. Geary brought a claim for an interest in the guest house. She claimed she either had a business partnership, as defined under the Partnership Act 1890, or a constructive trust as defined by case law. At first instance, the judge rejected Geary's claim. She appealed. The Court of Appeal dismissed the appeal, 1, holding that the legal title was solely in Rankine's name and so the burden of establishing a constructive trust was on Geary.